Welcome back to the third part of our 14-part series about Fusion 360. Today, we'll be looking at moving around the workspace in Fusion 360. So let's hop right onto Fusion in a new file. So I can show the origin of the model right here. By clicking this left button, which is actually an eye, you can view or unview different parts of your drawing. So here I just showed the origin. This box up here is the same. You can see the blue, red, and behind that the green arrow, the same origin than the origin you see here. So we'll go over some very quick movement fundamentals in Fusion. There's two ways to move. The bottom bar down here lets you do the same thing that the keyboard shortcuts let you do. I'll quickly show you the different steps. If you left click on this, a circle shows up. You can now left click on the image and move around, and you can see I've got my mouse button pressed down that I'm rotating around the origin. I can also click at look at. This will let me look at a face. You can see my camera moved. Not only this, but also the cube. By pressing the home up here, it's equivalent to look at the top corner. Look, boom, we just moved around. And we're now looking at the top corner. I can click on pan. This lets me move left and right. Or zoom. Click and then zoom in and out to move more or less close to my file. I'll press escape to leave this menu. And I'll show you the same settings but with keyboard shortcuts. You can set your keyboard shortcuts up here in your preferences for both the type of shortcuts. I'm using Fusion 360. If you're used to other CAD software, you can change the shortcuts. I recommend leaving it with Fusion. You can also choose if you want to reverse the zoom. For me, I always reverse zoom. It's more natural. So if you press Shift and you press down and hold the middle mouse button, you can rotate orbits basically. You can see in the bottom of the screen, it selects I've got Shift pressed down. It selects the orbit option. Now, if I remove Shift, stop pressing middle mouse, remove Shift, and press middle mouse again, I am now panning. So with your middle mouse, you can rotate while pressing Shift, pan while pressing just the middle mouse, and if I scroll my mouse wheel, I can go in and out just like the zoom. So we're actually going to end it here for this video. I really wanted to keep this third video short so that we could have all of our time to concentrate on sketches during the next video. Sketches will be the fundamental step to making any CAD design in any CAD software. So please stick along for the next video. It will be of utmost importance for your future CAD work. See you soon.